Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a mirror edit on Capcut. So select your video and select add, and once you're done with that, I'm just going to kind of move the video up a little bit. Then I'm going to copy it, so select the video and then select copy, which is, where is it? There we go. And on the second video, we are going to select overlay and we're going to move it to the left side of the track. And then we are going to rotate it. So select edit here and just rotate it. Then we are going to press mirror, and it kind of creates this like mirror effect to the video. If you want to blend it in a little bit more, you can. Just go to mask on the second video and then select split. Hold on. Mask split, and I'm going to move it up a little bit, like here, and then like feather it out, and then going to move the video down here again just to blend it out a little bit more. You don't have to do this, but you can definitely do it. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!